Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and ensuring your iPhone and Apple Watch are awake. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. Once done, select the My Watch tab. If you don't have the phone, sign into Icloud. Calm instead and go to Find My. Make sure activation lock is visible. These initial checks let you remove the watch cleanly and avoid getting stuck on authentication later. Unpairing from the Watch app is the most straightforward path. Tap the watch entry, hit the info icon, then unpair Apple Watch. The app will ask for your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. This wipes the watch and creates a backup on your iPhone, if you're using iCloud. Calm, go to Devices, pick the Apple Watch, and choose Remove from Account. This severs the link remotely. Make sure the process completes fully before powering off devices, so data finish by confirming the watch no longer appears under your iCloud devices or in the Watch app. If it still shows activation lock, sign out of iCloud on both devices and sign back in, then retry removal. Sometimes propagation needs a fresh session. Only perform a hard reset on the watch after you've confirmed removal to avoid accidental reactivation. If problems continue, reboot both devices and wait a few minutes before repeating the removal steps to let servers sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.